What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Nate Show. Now, since there's a market crash ahead of us, you may be wondering, what stocks do I invest in once the stock market crashes? And obviously, this is a hard question. So that's why I'm here. I'm going to give you guys my A list of stocks that are great to put your money in after the crash. So let's get straight into the video, you guys. We got GrowGeneration here, GRWG, ticker symbol GRWG. It has great earnings, great EPS, earnings per share. PE ratios are great. PS ratios, although I checked it all, I compared it with its peers. This is definitely a great stock to be investing in once the stock market crashes. Obviously, right now, nothing is a buy. It was even a buy at 40. However, it didn't really go up. So technically now it wouldn't be a buy at 40, but it has an all-time high of $60 a share. I believe maybe even a little bit more. Nope, 67. So that's great. If this goes down to like say $20 or even less than that, and you put your money in and it makes a full recovery, which I believe it will, you would be tripling your money. So this is definitely a great stock to at least be looking at after a crash. All right, our second stock here is Butterfly Network. If you haven't checked out this stock, I would definitely check it out. It's a great growth stock because it has a great product. If you've ever seen the product, it's an ultrasound device. It plugs into your phone. It's super accurate, great earnings. Not too many peers. Peers would be like Shockwave Medical, other high-tech medical companies would be considered peers of Butterfly Network. But if you already own shares of this and you have them on a loss, which most people probably would have if they've already bought it because it hasn't really gone up. It went up to about like 27, then it just went down from there. But I do think in the future it will be worth a lot more. So definitely check out the stock, and I would recommend that you guys buy this stock once the market crashes. Another stock we have here is Affirm. Affirm is a great company. I've mentioned it before. It was at an all-time high of 146, and now it went down all the way to 48. It's going to go way lower when the market crashes. So start taking a look at this stock, put it on your watch list, and I recommend buying a lot of shares once the market crashes. Uber is a company I see a lot of potential in because not only do they deliver food, but they also have car services, unlike DoorDash and Grubhub, which I don't recommend buying. It's also a lot lower than those companies, and if when the market crashes, it's going to get a lot lower than 44. Its all-time high being 64. So this is definitely a great stock you guys can be investing in when the market crashes. Roblox is a great company, and I used to play it a lot when I was little. It's a great company to be investing in when the market crashes because it's super expensive right now. It was at an all-time high of 83, and it recently surged. Earnings are shooting up. Great company. Guys, definitely be putting this on your watch list and be looking at it once the market crashes. I definitely recommend this stock to be a buy. I'm actually going to be talking about 3 different stocks. So Carnival, Royal, and Norwegian, they didn't make a full recovery to their all-time highs simply because the cruise lines have not opened since the pandemic. They all were closed. So this is definitely a great buy when the market crashes. They're going to crash to very low numbers. And when they make an all-time high and make a recovery to their all-time high, if they were to make a full recovery, which I think they will, and I actually do believe they will make new all-time highs, you would be doubling your money with Carnival and Norwegian. Royal, you may not be doubling your money, but you're still making a good amount. So guys, definitely check out the cruise lines. This one may come as a surprise to some of you because if you watch my last video, I said that Tesla stock is overvalued. But if the market were to crash, last time the market crashed, it went down 50%. If it were to do that again this coming crash, it would go down to even like lower than 300, which is a buy because if it goes back to even 800, I don't believe it will. But if it were to, you would not only be doubling your money, but you'd also almost be tripling your money. So it's definitely a buy. You'd be making a lot of money by buying this when the market crashes. So guys, stay tuned into the Nate Show. In next video, I'm going to be giving you guys cryptocurrencies to buy when the market crashes.